This is called a lot of landings coming into San Francisco and Oakland, back to back. I mean, this is insanity. Oh, goodness. Guess this is what happens when you live in the Bay Area and you got to fly out or fly in, whichever comes first. I've never seen anything like this. And that's our one landing there. Too dark for me to tell which planes they actually are, but whatever the case, it's a ton of landings. And I think we may be able to catch an international taking off shortly too. Looks like another 777 or a 330 even. I think that's what it looks. I think that's what it looks like. So, but we will cut it off.